Whoa, this house is big.
For me, it's all about the kitchen.
2 words, center island.
Huge, gorgeous granite. Or, can we get quartz?
Hardwood floors, just like these, with the big, wide planks.
I need a fireplace. I need a huge garage.
Oh, a soaking tub.
How about a hers and hers walk-in closet?
I want my own bedroom, not for my sisters, just for me. I want my own bedroom, and I want it to be pink. Oh, and a yard for Milo.
What's important to me is a builder that's been around the block.
A builder I can trust.
A builder I can feel good about.
It's a huge investment. It's important.
It's not just my dream. This is for my family.
This is home.
So, how much does this cost?